Okay guys, there's Rusty, and if you notice, we're in a hospital room, and we're just gonna make this a quick video just to let you guys kind of know what's going on. um Rusty's in the hospital. Yesterday was Wednesday. A week ago yesterday, we went and closed on the house, on selling our big house. And Rusty started complaining that his chest, kind of showing where it was hurting, like the side of his chest over there was hurting. So he thought it was a muscle cramp. And then yesterday morning, about 3 o'clock in the morning, he woke me up because he was complaining of chest pain. So by 6 o'clock, I told him, if I hear you complain one more time that your chest, he kept saying it was muscle cramps. Finally, I decided, okay, it must be his heart.
You give me some electrolytes.
Right.
So, because if it was a
muscle cramp,
that would have fixed it.
Yeah, and that didn't help at all. So, I told him, I said, if I hear you one more time with any kind of pain, we're going to the ER. Well, he did. So to the ER we went. And when we got to the ER, they're like, oh, first thing they did was hooked his heart up, and it was fine. They're like, his heart's great. But where he's complaining about the pain at sounds like a lung issue, and that's usually pneumonia. And I'm like, he hasn't been sick, so I don't think it's pneumonia. They COVID tested, they flu tested, both of those came back negative. They did an x-ray, and Rusty had full-blown pneumonia on his left side, his left lung, I guess. So we've been in the hospital. He's responding really, really well to the medication. The doctor said it is a viral pneumonia and not bacterial pneumonia. If anybody knows the difference in those, I'm not real sure, but he's responding really well to medication. So we're going home today, and he'll come off of the IV antibiotics, and he'll go to oral antibiotics starting tomorrow. And so yeah, that's where we're at today. It's not cancer related, I'm sure, but I'm sure that because he has cancer, it was easier for him to get pneumonia. So, because I had a bit of a cold last week,
said
that could happen, didn't he? Yeah. So, but that's where we're at, and but he's feeling good today, and he's ready to get out of here. So, we appreciate everybody sticking with us. Thank you again for all the prayers and the well wishes. We love you guys. So, RNS Life After 55. And you got anything to say to everybody before we sign off?
Well, just, I never knew pneumonia could be painful. I just thought it was, hard time breathing and stuff. But I found out it can be very painful.
Oh, yeah.
And it would start out as a sharp pain on this side, and then it'd go around to my back, just underneath the shoulder blade. It felt like a butcher knife, a cleaver sticking in my back, and somebody just turning it.
Yeah, and he's probably had pneumonia for at least a week.
I couldn't lay on that side at all because it just make it hurt more. I had to sleep actually sitting up, leaning against the back of the bed.
Yeah.
So if you have any of those symptoms, you probably need to go check and see if you got pneumonia.
Yeah, because he was perfectly fine. He's been working on the house, helping haul dirt. Of course, we just let him do the driving, but he was doing fine the last couple of days and enjoying himself. We had no clue he was sick. So he's been trying to improve his stamina because it's been so bad since the cancer treatments. So he was just kind of fighting through it, and come to find out, y'all, it wasn't that was causing the problem. He had pneumonia, and so now we all feel really bad that, he was fighting through that, trying to strengthen his muscles and everything, and instead it ended up being that he was actually sick. So don't push it too hard, you guys, if you're out there fighting the same thing or any other kind of cancer. Okay, we will talk with you later. I want to keep this one short, so you guys have a great day, and we'll catch you. I think the next video will probably be something to do with the build of our new house.
Probably.
Probably. Okay. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.
See ya.